Hi guys, wish you all a very pleasant and very great evening. Right, I know it. You all guys would be waiting for the session to happen. Right, as per our daily schedules. Right, I understand. Right, so once again, right, I would like to introduce. Right, this is Rahul Bhatia, the founder and director of PHR Restaurant Consultant and Management. Right. As you are aware, we have consulted more than 100 plus restaurant projects on a pan India level. Right, I'm into this profession from a last more than a decade. Right, and have consulted so many restaurants and cloud kitchens. Right, on a pan India level, where we help them to create a correct business models. Right, proper menu plannings. Right, streamlining of the operations, right packaging, right branding strategies, so they all can scale up the business. So today I am here to share you certain very nice insights which will help you out to garner more knowledge, right, uh, to understand, right, how you can grow these things, right, in these tough times. Right, so many of our friends are watching this, right, videos. I'm very much interested, right, to share them the few insights. Right, hello Siddharth sir, all good. Right, so you will understand how we can move these things in this COVID era. Right, so few practical learnings which can happen in this today evening times. Correct. So the topic of this evening is how we can take this restaurant business, right, to into the scaling modes, right, better operations, right, in this COVID-19 era which everyone is facing. Right, that's the situation. First of all, I would like to clarify everyone, like, see, don't blame the situations. Right, situation is not going to change. Right, you need to have a right mindset, right, to, to take these things further, right, through proper planning, right, proper organizing. Right, you can move it around. And in this situation, the person who has a right mindset would take the things into the opportunity mode. Correct, through proper due diligence, planning the things, and make the things grow persistently. Correct. So first point I would like to clarify you all guys, right, uh, whatever situation comes up, right, we need to move it around persistently. Right, so that's the first mindset you everyone should follow in any businesses they are there. Right, because mindset will make you grow from point A to point B, from point B to point C. Right, and you will grow, have a great life. Correct. So be persistent first of all. Right, that's the key. Right, second point which I would like to clarify over here, right, would be, right, see, lot things is going on the healthier sides. So people want something, right, in a more healthier versions. Right, something we can provide them in a more healthier ways. Correct. So that has to be incorporated. Correct, in the further course of act moving further. Correct. So not all things, right, but always add few healthier options, so we stand out from the competitions. Right, and it creates a good customer feedbacks regarding our mind, our brand. Right, and customer loves coming back to us, so that will again create a huge impact if you are able to do this. Correct. So third point which comes into it would be the how you make the food safe. See, at the moment everything is about, right, health and safety. Right, So you need to understand over here, right, how we can create more safety, right, by doing the way, by optimizing our packagings and all these things, so the consumers, right, get the best food, right, and in a well packed manner, right. So they are, at the end of the day, they are completely relaxed that the food which is coming to us is good, it's simple, it's healthy, right, and it's well packed, correct. So that will create a much more trust factor, because at this moment, this is the times we need to win back the consumer trust at the most, right. People are afraid, so we need to win them trust, right, and through this mediums we can win it back. Hope you are guys finding this information useful, right. Then comes to the point is communications, right. In today's digital era, we need to communicate well, right, to the audience, correct. So these things which we are implementing at the ground level has to be well communicated to the people, correct. So they understand the importance of that we are following these practices, right. We are over here to serve them for the lifetime. It's not one day business with us, right. It's a lifetime relationship what we follow, correct. So these things has to be communicated to the guest, right, in a right way, right. So they understand, right, how well we are doing it at our resources with whatever resource we have, right, and doing the best out of it, right, and winning their customer trust. So make sure you promote your things in a correct way, right, so that customers gets educated. At this time we need to make them aware what best we are doing it at our level. That will win back them, and that will make us stand out, correct. Now coming to the fourth point, which would be again is, right, uh, how we can do the digital use the digital medium, right, because lot many things are there where we can use the make the guest, right, in a way to use the technology, incorporate the technology and avoid the direct payment methods and all these things, correct. So technology has to be incorporated on the maximum level, right, so that customers don't feel like they are interacting like plastic money will boom. That's the era it's going to come out, right. So we need to be utilize and make our resources in such a way, right, we create a proper environment where he feels safe. Even in the restaurants also, I would suggest, right, maximum utilize all this new tech which are coming up, right, so that customers don't feel like in any touch points of the restaurant. There are different touch points in the restaurants where the guest interacts, right. So that's a that would become video will become very long if I focus on all that points, right. So make sure your touch points wherever the guest contact are on the maximum level, right. Use it in such a way, right, with the innovations of the tech and all these things, we can optimize in such in a best possible way to avoid his point of contact, right. Today's customers don't want to have a point of contact with the directly in any sense, right. So use it the technology, they will always be better for the future also and for this era also. So again we will win back the trust since we are getting them more in a benefit way, right. Fifth point I would like to elaborate over here, like, see, this is the time where the individual standalone restaurants, right, point is specifically for the standalone restaurants, right, which can optimize their which were initially not focusing on online deliveries, right. So for now they will start, we need to focus more on onlines, correct. And as well as this is the best time of the era, right, where we can create multiple brands also from that existing kitchens, right, and thereby use the same resources, right, out of the same kitchen, correct, and then spread it across once the pilot testing has been done. So that's also a very good business opportunity, right, which we can tap up at this moment, right, by optimizing the kitchens by the virtually new brands, right, which can come out from our kitchen. But definitely for that you need to do the back end work. First of all, analyze our strength, weakness, everything, right, how is our hyper local demand, market analysis, so everything comes up. But just these things can also be worked out very nicely if you understand the dynamics, how we can do it, right, and take the things in a better way, positively toward us, right, because future whatever things we are doing it at this moment, right, in this tough times, right, will definitely are going to grow, right. So this thing situations are not for a permanent time, right, this is all temporary. I would give you guys the importance of it. So not be persistent, right, have a right mindset, right, and look from a positive angle on the of a situation, and I 100% guarantee like mm, you can find solutions on your own, because your brain will give you intuitions, and better utilize the timings for the optimizing our whatever things we were lacking. So let's utilize the times in optimizing all these things and grow positively into the better environment, right. So this is what I want to share today, right. So hello Sagarji, right, nice coming to the show, right. So uh, I would suggest like you can all guys this video would be very much helpful to the people, right, who are thinking what to do next, right, to share this video to the maximum people, right, so they also get the conclusion how we can see this situation, right, and what next can be done, right, and everyone gets benefited. That's what our intentions are, right. So PHR consultant always wants the people, right, to boom in their businesses, right. Restaurants should flourish, hotel industry should flourish, right. For that's the major mission of us, right, and we are on a mission to make 1 lakh successful entrepreneurs, right, in the restaurant industry in the coming next 5 years, right. So hopefully many people would be we are in building our community, right, together, correct. So wish you all guys the best of luck, right. For more information you can connect to my team, right. We are always there to help you out, right, in your next projects, right, whatever things you want to visualize, right, we will always analyze, we will help you with the correct business plannings, what can be done, right, and take definitely things further to the right mindset, correct. So wish you all, right, have a great evening, have a great nice time. Thanks a lot.